Tapo C500 versus Tapo TC40. Which Tapo outdoor security camera is worth buying? If you're choosing between the Tapo C500 and TC40, both look like affordable outdoor security cameras, but there are a few differences that can make one a better fit for your home. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. Both cameras record in 1080p Full HD and offer pan and tilt coverage, with around 360 degrees of horizontal viewing and roughly 130 degrees vertically. They also support person detection, motion tracking, two-way audio, and local microSD storage up to 512 GB. The C500 is a straightforward outdoor pan and tilt camera. It uses a 1.3-inch sensor, infrared night vision rated up to about 30 meters, and a 15 frame per second recording rate. It connects over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and is designed to give you wide area coverage without needing multiple fixed cameras. The TC40 offers a very similar core package, but newer TC40 specifications list a 30 frame per second maximum at 1080p. It also has color night vision on some versions, while other specifications list infrared night vision, so the exact TC40 version matters when buying. Both are designed for outdoor use, with IP65 weather resistance, and both can work with Alexa and Google Assistant. Local microSD recording is a useful advantage if you want to avoid relying entirely on cloud storage. The main limitation is resolution. At 1080p, these cameras are perfectly reasonable for general monitoring, but they won't provide the same level of fine detail as newer 2K or 4K outdoor cameras. And because both rely on Wi-Fi, your installation location needs a reliable 2.4 GHz connection. So which one should you buy? If the C500 is significantly cheaper, it remains a sensible choice for basic outdoor monitoring. But if you find the TC40 at a similar price, its newer specifications and available color night vision configuration can make it the more attractive option. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which Tapo camera you choose.